the referral part is really when employees invite other employees. And this is by far the most effective way to bring employees into the company, but it's not scalable and it's not repeatable. It will happen naturally, but it's not something that you can count on every day happening. So it is a good word of mouth that you have to incentivize, but it cannot be your only solution for growth. If you have that, that's just your own strategy. At some point, you will be like, gosh, I need more people. They're not referring people. What do I do? That's when you have to pay for ads, but still have a good referral plan. And I'll show you how I do it. Okay. So the referral program pays between 400 to 1,000. Why? Because they have to be motivated. If you're saying, hey, I'll give you a gift card, a Starbucks card, $25, that's not going to move the needle. They're not going to take the effort to give a business card, to talk to somebody in the store. So in our case, we pay 400 after 120 days of working in the company. There are companies I've heard that pay $1,000. Now, if you think about the goal of 3 years, $210,000 in revenue, and you pay 1,000, that's really a drop in the bucket. Why? Because you're investing in acquiring an employee that will produce this revenue. So how do you get that money out? Well, that money comes out from the sales that they make happen in 120 days. So it's really profit that they are producing themselves, really, that you paid out to the employee that referred that person. But you have to put it out there. If you're not giving enough money as a referral incentive, they will not speak to anyone. It's very rare. I have a good other strategy that my friend Ismail from Zebra Cleaning told me, and he says that he pays out the like a night out or a date of the spouse and the employee or something to go out on a date, go out on a dinner, go out on a movie date, and they bring the invoice or the receipt and he pays it. And for him, that's the best way to pay back the person that referred the new employee. And he says, go out and have fun time, spend some money, bring me the receipt, and I'll pay you back. And that's the way he's been able to incentivize employees to go out and find other employees. And obviously, when they love to work for you, when they feel remunerated, they feel well paid, they will speak to others. But money really is the thing that pushes them to say, hey, are you looking for a job? Let me show you a place where you can find a good job. Hey, before you go, if you're planning on hiring and growing your headcount and revenue for your home service business, check out pipehire.hrm.com.